2, we got to start from scratch. Measuring upward. 2, 4, 4, 0, 6, 'I can't get a good feel on this. It's hard to feel upward motion. I gotta go with 0 and 6 as well. And even though my measuring is going to be different, we're looking for the same result. We're looking for anything to the right of 0. Anything this way is not good. So let's see where we are here. 18 is still got me at 199 again. I did it in 99. And then 20. 20. 20 is between 96 and 97. I'll go with 97 for 20. Yeah, we'll go for 97 for 20. So here's what we got so far. So here's what we have so far. So far 20 is our best reading. So that's how that works. Is coming in at a 94. So you see how far back we've got. So 30 is coming in at 94. I could maybe stretch it to 95, which is bad. But I mean, I'd rather err on the side of bad than trying to bring out a number that I think is falsely good. So we're going to go with 95. Even though 94 could be, but we're going to go with 95. So far 30 is our best number. Let's go to 32. Look what 32 does. 32, I mean, I could probably do a 91, but it wants to go to 92, so we'll let it go to 92, even though 91, we'll go 92. So far 32 is our best number. So 32 is our best number so far. We'll go 34. 34 dropped considerably. 34 brought us back to 93. 93. And then 36. And for any new viewers, this part of this is tedious. Once we figure out what we have, it'll get a little bit more exciting. So just hang in there if you got time, or come back. I know what it's like. You scroll and then you come back. Go check out a few other videos and then you come back and see how it's going. I prefer you stay, but I totally understand how the TikTok thing works. We all have short attention spans. So we're on 36. So we're going to check our 36. And our 36 is back at 95. What this means is that as we go down our list, right, we don't have a hole in the wheel. We don't have a hole in the wheel. As we come around here, we come to number 32, we find a low reading, which means we possibly have a hole in the wheel. And as we widen up, it means we exited that hole in the wheel. So believe it or not, this number going up right after it gets short or small is actually a good thing. It's actually a good thing. Here. Okay, so if you look here, okay, these are the holes that I'm talking about. When we talk about the holes in the wheels, these are the holes. And you see this, there's a flat bar that goes across. This flat bar always wants to fall in those holes, and that's what I'm trying to find. See that there? So this hole, so if we look at our chart here, if we look at our chart, when we were going 0, 0, 0, 99, 97, 96, 92. So what that tells me is that we were touching the top of this wheel all the way down, and then we weren't touching the top of this wheel. And we found a space, and then we started touching the top of this wheel again. So that's what that means. That means we were touching the top of the wheel. We were touching the top of the wheel. When we got here to 32, we weren't touching anything. And then when we got to 34, we started touching the top of the wheel again. So there was no hole. So that's what we're talking about. When I say hole in the wheel, it's called a gate, but I'm just going to call it a hole in the wheel so you guys understand that. But the technical term is a gate. This is called a gate. If you can see that there. This hole here is called a gate, and that's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find when this guy ends up underneath there. See, right here it's bad, but right here it's good. And that's what I'm trying to find. Bad and good. I'm trying to find a spot where it's good. So that's what we're doing here. So I hope that can help you guys visualize what we're doing. So that's a 4 again. So this is good. This is good. There's no other numbers popping up, which means we only have to investigate that 32. So 96, but we're going to go to 96 and 98 just to make sure that nothing else there it is. I have to go with 2 on this one. About 2 maybe? Let me come up again. No, we're 3, between 3 and 4. We'll go back with 4. So you see, it's not that easy to take these readings. Like everybody thinks it's just so easy, you got the tools. No, there's still a lot of work to do even if you got the tools. And you have to know what readings are good and which readings are not good. So we're at 4 again. 4 again. Okay, so we're done. So we're done. So now let's go through this together here. How do you pronounce your name? Nasha. If you watch my latest video, you'll see what happened. I was Where's my book here? I'll show you what happened here. I was doing the whole thing wrong. If you see here, right in the middle of the screen there, if I can focus, it says further upward motion of the drive cam. I was measuring while pressing down, so that's the problem. So today we started fresh, we started clean, and look at this. Our readings are very, very consistent until we get to, where's my pen? Until we get to 32, and look what happened. 32, 34. So we can settle in on 33 actually. We'll settle in on 33. And then as we go down, everything else stays very nice and consistent. So we have no other candidates. No other candidates for a number. Now again, we don't know which number it is, so that's what we're going to do now. So now I need to find my scrap paper. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try 32 in the first position. So we're going to go something like, where can we go here? What was a good number? We'll pick a random number, 32, 20, and 20. And then we're going to do 20, 32. Don't worry, I'll show you guys in a second. And then we're going to do 20, 20, 32. So actually we said 33, right? 33, because we're going to go in the middle. 33. I'll show you what I mean. So because 32 and 34 both came in nice and low, okay, we're going to go in the middle and we're going to choose 33, which should capture both of those. If the number is 32, 33 should work, and if the number is 34, 33 should also work. So that's why we're going to choose 33. So now here's what we're going to do. We are going to try these three combinations. Okay, where is it here? These three combinations to see which one provides us the lowest reading on the dial. Whichever one provides us the lowest reading on the dial, that's where our 33 goes. Okay, so watch what I mean here. So if I go and I dial 33, 1, 2, to 20, and then 20 again. You're allowed to have doubles if you want when you're dialing safes. It kind of sucks to do that, but you're allowed to. So here we go. Now we're going to take a reading and we're going to see where that puts us. So 32 in the first position. Let's read this again. I can't get a good reading on it here. 32 in the first position gives us a 93, 94. Let's go with 94. Equals 94. Okay, now if I do 32 as our second number, so we'll do 20, 1, 2, 32, and then we go to 20 for a third number. 20 doesn't mean anything, it's just a number I always pick because it's the first number after the forbidden zone. So I usually pick 20 when I'm going for a test. Okay, so this gave us a 90, 98 or 97. Let's go with 97. So that's a 97. Now we'll try 33 in the last position. So we'll go 20, 20, and 33. So we're going to go 20, 1, 2, 20, and 33. And we're going to check to see what kind of reading we get here. I can't get it. I can't feel it. There it is. That's giving us a 97. A 97. Okay. So, based on what we've got here. Okay. So, you'll see that 33 in the first position gave us the lowest reading. So that is a good indication that 33 happens to be our first number, which makes things a whole lot easier for us. This never happens. 33 never comes in as our first number. It's usually our last number that comes in first, which makes things way more difficult. So that's good news for us. So we're going to go with 33 as our first number. And I'm probably not going to write down stuff now because we can usually just move on from here. So we got 33 as our first number. Okay, so we're going to go 33 and we're going to work our way back. 1, 2, and we're going to go straight to 30. We're going to take a measurement. We're going to carry the second and third wheels and we're going to take measurements. Okay, look at this. 44. I can't even get it to fall down below 96. Okay, let's go to 42. Ooh, hold on. I think I'm holding the dial wrong again. Nope, look at this 42, guys. 42 is sitting at 93. That is the best reading so far. 42 to 40. Is still nice. So 40 and 42, so we can try a 41. 38. 38 is falling back down. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of investigating because now we have 42 and 44, so we'll do a 43, which is actually suspicious because our first one, hold on here. Okay, our first number was 33, our second number is 43, we suspect. So 33, 43, so naturally we're going to have to try a 33, 43, 53 to see if that works. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to do a 33 and then a 43, and then I guess we can go back to, what did we use here? 20. We used 20 up here, so we can go 20. And then if that doesn't work, we have to do 33, 20, and 43. So these are, I got a feeling this one's going to work. The pattern is just too convenient, right? So I got a feeling this top one, 33, 43, 53, is probably going to be our gold. So 33, 1, 2, 43, and 53. And we'll take a measurement while we're pressing down just to see what it tells us. And it tells us it's not very good. It's not good news. No, it's not good news. It doesn't even come in nice. So my suspicion was wrong. So my suspicion of 33, 43, 53 was not right. I just thought for sure it would work. So we're gonna have to check 33, 43, 20, and then 33, 20, 43. Okay, 33. 1, 2, 43, and 20. Oh. Well. Guess what, guys? Guess what just happened? Hold on. Guess what just happened? Guess what just happened? Anybody want to take some guesses here? How did I get this thing off? I don't even know how I got this thing off here. Hold on. Hold on a second here. How do I get this thing? Can I lift this thing without... No, I can't lift it because the dial comes off. Hold on, I don't remember how I did this. How did I put this on there? Because I can't pull it out without both sides in. I gotta get both sides in. Okay. There she is. Fuck yeah, we did it, guys. We did it. She's off. Where's my flashlight here? We know this was empty though because I bought it empty. All we were doing was learning how to, how do I? Empty. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get my wife to change the combination tomorrow. And we're gonna try it again tomorrow night. Alright, so I guess that's it for this live. Thanks for hanging out with me. We're gonna try it again tomorrow night to see if we can do it again. Because I'll tell you right now, I got lucky with this 20. I always use 20 because on other locks, 20 is the first number after these numbers you're not supposed to use. So I always use 20 when I'm testing. So we got lucky at 20. It's not so bad because I would have gone from 0 to 20 anyway. So it probably saved us about 10 minutes, the fact that I use 20 all the time. So, all right, guys, that's it for tonight. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.